In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and get started with Descript, an AI-driven video and podcast editing platform. If you're looking to streamline your editing process or explore new creative possibilities, this guide will provide all the steps you need. First, head over to the Descript website. Once there, you'll find a Sign Up button. Click on it to get started. Signing up is straightforward. You'll be prompted to select your preferred email service to log in. In this example, I'll be choosing Google. Selecting an account is easy. Just click on the Google account you want to use, and then when a prompt appears, click Continue to proceed. After successfully setting up your account, you'll be directed to the Descript dashboard. The dashboard is where the magic happens. It's conveniently designed to cater to both new and advanced users, providing options for recording new projects or exploring existing ones. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll notice different categories you can explore. These include home, projects, quick recordings, brand studios, AI speakers, layout packs, and workspaces. Spend some time navigating these options to get acquainted with the functionalities Descript offers. Now let's focus on creating. The text box on your dashboard is where you can input new or future projects. This is the space where you can let your imagination run wild. Whether you're drafting a podcast script or outlining a video project, this feature is intuitive and user-friendly. As you type, you can experiment with various editing capabilities to see what fits best with your creative vision. Understanding these tools not only enhances your efficiency but also elevates the quality of your productions. It's always a good idea to test out different interactions and settings to find your sweet spot, whether it's creating pristine audio or crafting compelling video narratives. Before diving into your first full project, take a moment to explore the Quick Recordings feature. This semi-guided process allows you to record basic audio or video clips, perfect for testing sound quality or visual settings. Similarly, browsing through the brand studios can provide inspiration and insights into professional-level productions, giving you ideas to incorporate into your own projects. Finally, don't forget to explore AI speakers and layout packs. AI speakers can transform the way you think about voice in your projects, while layout packs offer pre-designed templates to speed up the creation process and ensure your work looks polished and professional from the get-go. And that's a basic overview of getting started with Descript. This powerful tool will provide endless opportunities for you to refine and elevate your creative projects. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.